You have automatic headlamps, fuel door release, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, leather wrapped steering wheel, which is also heated. Alright, so panning through the interior. This vehicle does have the controls on the steering wheel for your multi-view reconfigurable instrument display. You've also got your Uconnect Bluetooth and voice recognition and cruise control. Paddle shifters for manual shiftability of the 8-speed automatic, downshift and upshift. Uconnect 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Garmin-based navigation. Also has a reverse camera with guidance lines that work in conjunction with the Park Sense. Controls for heated seats and heated steering wheel. Moving below, redundant controls for audio and climate. Moroccan sand trim. Select train controller. You also have dual level storage in the center glove box or console. Alright, and looking overhead, you got a sunglasses holder. You've also got controls for your reading lights and your map lights. Sunroof controls and your home link universal garage door opener.